Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about premium audio, love cutting-edge gadgets, or are simply in a market for the best noise-canceling headphones in 2025, then you've landed in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Sony's latest masterpiece, the Sony WH-1000XM6. This flagship model isn't just a refresh. It's a bold evolution of everything we loved in the previous generations, with next-level noise cancellation, improved audio engineering, smarter features, and a reimagined design. So, grab a drink, sit back, and let's find out if the WH-1000XM6 is worth your money in this ultimate breakdown. A new era in audio excellence. Sony has long dominated the wireless headphones market with its WH-1000X series, and the XM6 takes the baton forward with major enhancements. The design language subtly shifts while keeping the recognizable Sony identity. But the magic happens under the hood. At the core is the all-new Sony QM3 processor, replacing the QN1 found in the XM5. This chip is 7x more efficient, offering real-time intelligent noise processing, adaptive ANC behavior, and superior audio signal delivery. Why does this matter? In noisy environments like airports or busy cafes, the QM3 chip dynamically adjusts noise canceling based on surrounding frequencies, giving you pin-drop silence in chaotic settings. And yes, Sony continues its lead in high-resolution wireless audio support via LDAC. Expect crystal-clear sound even with Bluetooth transmission. Whether you're streaming on Spotify, Tidal, or Apple Music, you're in for studio-grade sound on the go. Smarter noise cancellation. The Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones redefine noise canceling with the addition of 4 more microphones, bringing the total to 12 precision mics embedded across the ear cups. This allows for something Sony calls multi-end noise sensing, which evaluates ambient sound from every angle and cancels it proactively. The XM6 now adapts in real time to your environment, activity level, and even weather conditions. Walking through a windy street, the wind noise reduction AI will kick in to filter gusts automatically. New to the XM6 is dual ANC profiles, which automatically switch between commuting and stationary modes. So if you're sitting in an office or on the move, the headphones optimize the listening mode accordingly. Sony's Edge AI system also introduces environment prediction, meaning your headphones learn your behavior over time, like adjusting ANC when you enter a coffee shop, your office, or gym. Sonic performance. Let's talk sound quality, because, let's face it, all the AI and features mean nothing without excellent audio. Sony sticks with its 30mm carbon fiber composite drivers, but tuning has been upgraded with a wider frequency response and improved dynamics. You get a warmer bass, cleaner mids, and brilliant highs without harshness. Support for 360 reality audio with head tracking creates a virtual surround sound environment, making it feel like you're in the middle of a live concert or movie theater. If you're watching Netflix or gaming on the go, this adds a whole new dimension. And here's something special for audiophiles. The WH-1000XM6 uses DSE Extreme, Sony's AI-based audio upscaler that reconstructs compressed digital music files in real time. This means even your older, lower bitrate MP3s will sound richer and more detailed. Call quality and AI microphones. Gone are the days of muffled calls on wireless headphones. The WH-1000XM6 introduces a beamforming microphone system powered by AI, specifically designed to isolate and enhance the human voice. Whether you're in a noisy subway station or outdoors on a breezy day, your voice is clearly separated from background noise, making it ideal for remote work, virtual meetings, or voice assistant interactions. This microphone upgrade also improves integration with Google Assistant, Alexa, and Siri, allowing you to control playback, send messages, and set reminders hands-free. Design and build. Sony listened to feedback. One of the most requested changes, the return of the foldable design, is finally here. The WH-1000XM6 headphones fold inward for easy portability, now accompanied by a magnetic closure carrying case instead of a zipper. It's sleeker, more intuitive, and faster to open. Build-wise, Sony has reinforced the hinges and frame, making them more durable for travel and daily wear. The memory foam ear cups are deeper and cushier, with vegan leather that stays comfortable even after hours of use. Each one offers a matte finish, resisting fingerprints and scratches better than glossy alternatives. Battery life and charging. The WH-1000XM5 offers up to 30 hours of battery life with ANC on, and nearly 40 hours without it. Running late? A 3-minute quick charge gives you 3 hours of playback, perfect for sudden commutes or meetings. Charging is handled through USB-C, and now there's reverse charging compatibility with certain Sony smartphones, meaning your Xperia 7 can give your headphones a power boost in emergencies. Multi-device connection via Bluetooth 5.3 makes it easy to switch between your phone, laptop, or tablet without repairing. Plus, aptX Adaptive, AAC, and LDAC are all supported for optimal sound across platforms. Daily usage features. The WH-1000XM5 is more than headphones. It's a smart audio assistant for your lifestyle. Here's what's new. Adaptive Sound Control 2.0 learns your movement patterns and adjusts sound settings automatically. Speak to Chat 2.0 pauses music instantly when you start speaking, now faster and more accurate. Quick Attention Mode. Place your hand on the ear cup to temporarily lower volume and hear your surroundings. New Background Sound Mode plays ambient soundscapes like rain, ocean waves to help you focus or sleep. Auto pause and play. Thanks to proximity sensors, the headphones pause when removed and resume when worn. These features make the XM6 ideal not only for music, but also productivity, mental wellness, and travel. Price, availability, and competition. Sony officially launches the WH-1000XM5 globally on May 15, 2025, just 2 days after the Xperia 7 reveal. Pricing. United States, $449 US. United Kingdom, £399 European Union Euro, €449 While this may seem premium, it's competitively priced against rivals like the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra, Apple AirPods Max 2, and Sennheiser Momentum 5. What gives Sony the edge is its complete package. Sound quality, noise canceling, build, battery, and smart features in one sleek bundle. Who should buy the WH-1000XM5? Wondering if the WH-1000XM5 is right for you? Here's a quick breakdown. Audiophiles. You'll love the rich sound profile, DSE Extreme, and LDAC support. Travelers. Long battery life, great ANC, foldable build, and comfort for long hauls. Remote workers. Clear calls, multipoint Bluetooth, and voice assistant support. Students and creatives. Adaptive ambient modes and productivity focus features make it ideal for focus or study. Final thoughts. The Sony WH-1000XM5 isn't just a successor, it's a transformation. Sony has taken everything that worked with the XM5 and improved it, sometimes subtly, other times dramatically. Thanks for sticking around, tech fans. If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated on the latest in audio tech, smartphones, and gadgets.